Got a little something for you ratchet bitches. Something for you ratchet hoes. You ugly hoes. This is called the Ratchet Hoes. Hold on, man. Let me some of this shit. These trifling ass bitches. These trifling assholes. These ratchet ass bitches. Bitch, get some new clothes. Get some new clothes. These ugly ass bitches. These ugly assholes. These dumb ass bitches. These dumb assholes. These pregnant ass bitches. These pregnant assholes. These pregnant ass bitches. It's only 16 years old. 16 years old. Yeah. This is all you ratchet bitches. All you pregnant bitches. All you dumb bitches. Get it together, hoes. I'm ready.